Importance of servicing the braking system. Hey y'all, Mike at Das Trucks here. This is a new series that we call Das Informed, so let's get straight into it. Brake pads will wear, it's inevitable. How fast they wear, that just depends on your driving habits. The danger comes from when truckers let the brake pads wear until it's metal-on-metal contact between the backing plate and the rotors. Don't let your truck get to this point. It puts you in danger, it puts everybody around you in danger, and it'll put your pockets in deep, deep danger. Now, replacing the brake pads for these medium-duty trucks costs only about $250 per axle and $150 for the lighter-duty trucks. Catastrophic braking failure. That is the biggest danger a trucker faces. You lose the ability to brake. And this happens fast. It's about 5 to 10 minutes of driving with metal-on-metal contact. Metal-on-metal contact causes a great amount of heat. A great amount of heat will damage that whole hub assembly with all your braking components. They're just not meant to take that kind of heat. A hub assembly costs about $3,500. They include the rotors, brake pads, ABS sensor, the bearings, the calipers. $500, get your brake pads replaced, stay safe, or $7,000 plus, and you're putting yourself and others in danger. Just avoid the whole mess. Inspect your braking pads, and if they need replacing, replace them. You owe it to yourself to keep your investment in good condition. Alrighty, that's all for today. Stay safe, truckers. We appreciate you.